Good afternoon, and let's have a look at what the markets are up to this afternoon and which are the individual stock buzzers in trade this afternoon. So talking about the benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty both are trading in the green, up more than 0.5%, while today the Sensex actually scaled up to the 51,000 mark after the first time since March, as well as the Nifty also was trading around the 15,300 mark, first time above the 15,300 mark since March 12th. So surely a good day coming in on the markets front as well. As of now, they're trading almost more than 0.5% up in trade. Broader markets also seem to be performing in tandem with the benchmark indices. All in all, sector-wise, when you look at it, realty, media, as well as Nifty IT is something that has been pulling up the market and are the top gainers in the market, while Nifty Metal are among the top losers in the market. And metal stocks also too have been tanking in trade this time around. Now, overall, other than that, let's look at individual stock movers and newsfulls, what is actually making the stock buzz. So Transport Corporation of India, that's TCI, has surged as much as 13% in trade today after a great strong set of numbers coming in by the company, where the company saw the profit jump by around 79%, as well as the revenues also grew by 9% on a year-on-year basis. So strong performance coming in by the company, and that is why we're seeing a strong move in the stock price as well. Kirloskar Brothers, another stock which has been buzzing. It was locked in upper circuit also in the morning. Now also trading more than 15% up in trade after a solid set of results coming in from the company, where the profits have jumped almost threefold and have come in at 82.9 crores from previously around 23 crores. So good jump coming in the profits. Revenues have risen by 33% as well. LUX Industries also up as much as 10% in trade after a strong set of numbers is reported by the company. The company has reported a 48% growth on a year-on-year basis. The net profits have gone up by 118%, and surely that does merit for the strong up move that we're seeing coming in the stock as well. And that's back mainly because of the higher sales as well as the best control measures that the company has taken, better cost control measures, which is aiding the overall performance of the company. Thermax too, on the back of its earnings, up as much as 7%, where the profits have more than doubled, as well as the revenues also have seen a 19% rise on a year-on-year basis. Ajmera Realty also up 3% in trade today after a quarterly higher quarterly profits by the company, and the profits have risen more than 3 times on a year-on-year basis as well. Lastly, we do also have Titan, which has been buzzing in the trade, HSBC also has maintained a buy rating on the company, on the stock, with a target price of rupees 1,800 per share. Now here what is happening is that there is news coming in that the government of India may be making hallmarking on gold jewelry mandatory from June 15th. So that is surely going to keep Titan in focus as well, and jewelry stocks especially in focus as well this time around, and that is why we're seeing the nice buzz coming in Titan as well. It's up as much as 2% in trade as well. So surely that is in focus, while we've seen metal stocks today actually being under pressure as well, and that is something that we're seeing after a long run, that we're seeing metal stocks coming under pressure. So let's keep an eye out on all these stocks today and how they end at 3:30.